Now students, I am talking about the report format. It is in continuation with your lecture 1 only. In your project report, you include a title page which cover detail regarding your title, your name, your roll number, etc. Then declaration. In declaration you are telling about that this is your original work. Then acknowledgement, then list of content, table, figure with their page numbers. Then it includes a chapter 1, introduction, definition, all the relevant definition which is useful in your report. Then literature review, objective, research methodology, where you discuss the detailed process, how you have conducted your detailed report, your project work with their timelines, etc., and the limitation or a problem you have faced during your work. Then chapter 2, this is a very important and a very longest session where you will discuss in detail about your topic, your findings and all. Then chapter 3, where you will explain the findings according to your objectives. Then conclusion, and if there is any suggestion, then you will provide here. Then bibliography, appendix, in case during your research work if you feel that questionnaire is important or any other annexure you need to include, like in case if you are doing any project report related to finance, you need a statement, financial statements and all, so you need to put it here. Okay, now in detail, your cover page format is like this: submitted to your topic, submitted by the name of 2 students with their roll number. After that, your declaration in the same format. It is countersigned by you. If you are associated with BBA 3rd, then only BBA 3rd semester, and if you are associated with BBA 5th semester, then you write BBA 5th semester with your roll number. You need to submit only one report. A group of 2 students submit only one report, and this report is very important because this gives you a practical exposure related to your subject. Clear, students? Now the content. Chapter 1, 1.1, introduction, why you have opted this topic, what is the relevance of this topic, objective, period of study, research methodology, the detailed flowchart you will provide here, how you have conducted your study, then scope of the study, limitation, and theoretical background if there is. Then your data analysis and interpretation. Data analysis and interpretation means whatever you have studied. If you study the FDI movement in India, then what exactly FDI movement is, what is the trend they shows. Okay, then findings, suggestions, conclusion, bibliography, and annexure if there is any. Now the general style of writing the report, it should be a double spaced. Then you will include introduction, result, discussion, all the topic which I already discussed you. It should be page number, it should be provided a number, every page should have a number. Then the report, whatever report you are making, it should communicate for whom, why, and what are the findings. Actually we want to know that how you have included or how you have learned and how you have applied the concept that you learn in the subject in your practical. Okay, that's why it is a live project. Then conclusion, then page margin. You have a freedom over here. If you want to increase or decrease the page margin, you can do. Okay, and most important thing is page number. Here in any project report, the first pages which cover title, declaration, etc., it includes a page number in a Roman, and page in a numeric form starts from introduction. Okay, then headings 14 and 16 size you will take. Then introduction, I already told you Introduction covers why you have opted the topic. I gave you a number of topics and you need to select a topic, and what is the logic behind the selection of that particular topic. You need to explain that. What is the relevance of that topic? Then review of literature. It is not mandatory for you. If it required according to your topic, you will include, otherwise leave it. Okay, and I specify here how to write a literature review, clear, with examples. Then your objective will specify why you have opted this topic, what you try to find out with that topic, and it should be start with 2. Okay, then research methodology, your parameters, your method of collecting data and all, with timeline. And I suggest you make a flow chart in how many days you have select the topic, and in how many days you collect the data related topic, how you have analyzed your data and all, with timeline. It is better for you. Okay, then your data analysis and interpretation, whatever you have collected you will explain over here with different types of diagrams, graphs, etc. if required. Then conclusion and discussion means here you will include your point of view. Then references, you will use the APA style, and how we use the APA style means your last name, then name, your year, article title if you are taking any support from any published article and all. Okay, then volume, page, etc. In case of book, in case of chapter, I suggest everything over here. I hope you now understand how to make a project. This is a pilot project which helps you in your final project also. During this project report you will take help from me. If you have any query, if you have any doubts, you are free to call me at any time. I will help you. Clear? I hope you understand the relevance of this project, and this is a very important part of your subject which include maximum marks. It shows what the level of understanding you have with your subject. Clear? Thank you, beta.